So X equals 18.48 fluid ounces. All right, let's do another one. 6.18 gallons US into quarts. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to write down my conversion factor, okay, between gallons and quarts. And remember, it is gallons that are US. So if I go to my blue piece of paper, which I'm not going to switch to right now, but you guys all have your blue sheet or your conversion factor page out. So 1 US gallon is equal to, per that page, 4 quarts. Awesome. All right. So now that we know that, we can set up our proportion, okay? Remember, it doesn't really matter what's on the top, but I like to go in order of things they give me, okay? So my gallons are going to go up top, my quarts are going to go on the bottom, and right here, what do they give me? Well, they tell me that 1 US gallon is equal to 4 quarts, okay? So if I just quickly, hey, let me switch colors of highlighter for a minute. And let's make it something nice to look at, not hard on the eyes. Okay, so this is my conversion factor. That's where I'm getting these numbers, right? These are the numbers that we have. And then over on this side, we match up our units, gallons, US, quarts, and these are the numbers that they've given us, okay? So the numbers that they've given us, I'll make those purple because that's pretty. Okay, yoink. So these are going to be the numbers that they've given us. They haven't given us any quarts, so our X goes down there, but they've told us it's 6.18 US gallons, okay? And now we're going to multiply our pair again and divide our spare. So here's our pair, here's our spare, okay? Oops. So we're going to have 4. Actually, I take it back. I don't want to write that right here. One second. Let me use my eraser. Okay, that's it. 4 times 6.18. And then in this case, we are just dividing by 1 because there's only 1 gallon per 4 quarts. Okay. And so for X, we would get 24.72 quarts. I've never used a quart before in my life, but I'm assuming that at some point, or at least when you're in the States, you might use a quart. I know you use gallons for gas. Okay. Next one, 5 fluid ounces into milliliters. So write down our conversion. So for fluid ounces to milliliters, we know, now this is for US, right, not UK. So we know 100 milliliters is equal to, in this case, 3.38 fluid ounces because they like to be special. And I put US there so that I know. Okay. Set up my proportion. I'm going to put the longer line. I'm going to put the ounces on top and I'm going to put the mils on the bottom. And so, like I said, what they gave me. So here is what I have. Yoink. So they, oh, I did this one upside down, but that's okay. So we've got, for ounces, we've got 3, oh my gosh, I'm still writing with a highlighter. Oops, I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. Okay, let's click back over there. There we go. 3.38 fluid ounces, drop the FL, okay, is 100 milliliters. So that's what they gave us. Yoink. And what they're looking for in purple, that's this part. So what do they need? Okay, well, we've matched up. Oops, no, we have not. Miss K. That is bad. Okay, so our ounces go on top. Yes. All right, come here. Oh my gosh. Okay. There we go. All right. So ounces, they've given us 5 fluid ounces. Again, forgot the FL. We don't know how many milliliters, so that's what we're looking for. Okay, we're going to multiply our pair, divide our spare. There's our pair, there's our spare. I like that the highlighters go over each other so nicely. That's really, I appreciate that. Now, randomly highlighters just like appearing, so I need to cut that out. There we go, it's gone. All right, So solving for x, multiplying our pair, 100 times 5, divided by, here's another case where our divided by is an actual number, 3.38. Okay, so we can't just let that disappear. We plug that into our calculator, we're going to end up with 147.93 milliliters. Okay. Ta-da. Awesome. All right. Just got a couple more examples here to do. Liters into gallons. So these are US gallons. So same thing. Go to our page, find the conversion factor. Conversion tells that 1 gallon of the US variety is equal to 3.8 liters. Okay. Set up our conversion factor. Gave me liters first. I'm going to put liters on top. And gallons. I'm just going to go ahead and write all of these in right now. Okay. Alright, so now what they gave us, this is what we know. What we know goes on this side. Okay. So we know that there are 3.8 liters for every 1 gallon. Sweet. Come here. Yeah. I really, some days you guys are going to watch me do this and be like, why is she struggling so much? But it's hard to learn how to use one of these things. Okay, here we go. This is what they gave us. So 25 liters, and we're looking for US gallons, so we put our X. Okay, come here. No. I don't understand. Okay, go away. Sorry. Small break. Okay. Excellent. Color change. Multiply our pair, divide our spare. There we go. So x is equal to 1 times 25 divided by 3.8. Okay. X is equal to 6.5. Oh man, 5 ended up going way over by himself. Okay, where's the eraser? Here it is. There we go. 6.5. What's a decimal? 6 decimal. I'm just going to erase and start again like I have to do in class. Really, this is not so different than having a lecture with me in front of the board, I would say. Okay, so 6.58 gallons, and it's important, I didn't put it here, but just to remember that you're being asked for US gallons, okay? That is going to be a part of your answer. All right, so these are some of the easy ones. They do get more complicated, so I'm going to scroll now to the more complicated versions. Multiple step.